Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina Maria here with another video for you guys. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on so you can see more videos from me. And if you're not new here, if you're returning, welcome. All right guys, we're here for another nail video. I have already prepped my nails. Born Pretty has sent me some more products, some really cute stuff. So let me go ahead and show you. This first one that they sent me is this really cute holographic kind of glitter green kind of color. And then this one is actually for like if you want to do like a watercolor kind of look, really cute. I love this one as well. It's kind of like a burgundy with like a shimmer kind of look to it. Very, very cute for any time of the year. So I really love that one. And then this other one is really cute. This is actually magnetic. It's a magnetic gel nail polish. And then that's a clear top coat that they gave me as well. But the magnetic one, you actually need to have some sort of magnetic strip kind of to go with it that I don't have. So I will not be using that one. And also the other one that's kind of like the watercolor kind of one. I'm not familiar with how to do that technique yet. So when I do, I'll go ahead and definitely use that. You're supposed to use that on top of another color and then it kind of fuses together. But yeah, when I become familiar with that, I'll go ahead and use that. But this burgundy one really stood out to me and it has a nice glitter shimmer kind of to it. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'm just going to put it on my nail. I'm not going to let it set or put it under the light. I just want you to see how it looks first. Really nice deep burgundy color to it. I'm also going to go ahead and put on the green kind of glittery kind of look too. That one is really pretty. I'm not a really green person. I've never worn green nail polish. So it's like a bluish green. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go with the burgundy color one. I think that can be used like almost any time. The magnetic one, I'll go ahead and put it on. That one is really pretty. I'm going to look into trying. If you go to Born Pretty website, they have all of the information and have all of the things that you will need, but I definitely would like to try that magnetic one. It looks so pretty. Like that color is super pretty. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and go with the burgundy one. That's more of me. So I'm going to go ahead and go with that one. So I'm going to take this off and then I'm going to prep my nails to do them with this nail polish. Okay, so as I stated, I've already prepped my nails, and prepping your nails involves just filing them down. What I like to do, I go ahead and shape them with a regular just nail file, and then I also get a buffer, and I go ahead and buff my nails. What that does is removes all of the excess oils from your nails, and that part is really important when applying gel nail polish, even if you're doing like SNS or anything like that, because when you have excess oils on your nails, it is not going to last. The gel polish, the SNS, it's not going to last, and you find that it will be lifting and it'll start peeling. So it's really important that you do that. So to do that, I have oily nail beds. So I go ahead and file them and then I apply some nail polish remover, and that's why they look kind of dry. So now I'm going to go ahead, what you see me doing now is applying my base coat to my nails. This is the part that you do not want to skip either because it's like an adhesive for the gel nail polish. So you definitely want to make sure that you are adding that base coat. This particular base coat is from a shop on Amazon. I will post the link in the description box as well. It came with a base coat and a top coat. Now, Born Pretty, they also have a base coat and top coat as well. So if you just want to get everything from one place, you're more than welcome to do so. Theirs is great. I actually kind of run a little bit low on the base coat from them. So I'll just go ahead and use the one I got from Amazon. So after we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and apply that nail polish. So stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and stay tuned. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to start beginning to apply the nail polish to my nails. And I'm doing this carefully. What you don't want to do, especially for the first coat of applying gel nail polish, you don't want to have it too thick because, of course, when you cure it under the light, it's going to kind of thicken on its own. But if you have it too thick, it's not going to be even when you apply other coats. And it's just going to be kind of just a big blob on your nails. So it's very important for your first layer to start with a nice thin layer and then build on that. Building is really important. So I'm starting with a nice thin layer. And even for my first layer, I don't like to go all the way to my cuticle. I go a little bit away from my cuticle. And on the second layer, that's when I go closer. I like to do that because also it gives me a base to work off of. I find that when I first do my first coat close to my cuticle, it begins to get messy, and then it kind of bleeds into the cuticle. And then when it gets on your cuticle and then you cure it, after a while, it'll start lifting at the cuticle, and then you'll see it start to peel. So I like to do my first coat a little bit away from my cuticle and then go ahead and cure it. And then the other layers I do a little bit closer. That's just a technique that I use. And I find that my gel nail polish lasts much longer when I do it that way. So as you can see, I'm applying the first coat, cleaning up as I go, and then I'm curing it in the light for 60 seconds. Also, when you apply the base coat, you want to make sure you cure that under the light as well. I only do that for about 30 seconds for the base coat, because it's going to continue to keep curing when you add the other coats and you keep on putting your hand under that light. It's all going to start to work together. So for the base coat, I do 30 seconds, and then for the polish, I do 60 seconds. I'm not sure what kind of light you have. I got my light from Amazon as well. I can post that link in the description box for you. It was only probably about like $15. So, and it's really good. I've had it for almost 2 years and it works really well. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this other hand, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I'm doing my second coat. Okay, so now I am applying the second coat to my nails. How many coats you want to apply is completely up to you. I definitely would say you want to do more than one coat. Doing one coat is going to be very thin. The whole thing with gel nail polish is that it's thick, and it's going to thicken up your nails and make your nails stronger and help prevent breakage and things like that. So definitely want them to be thick, not too thick. So I'd say no more than 3 coats. It also depends on the nail polish too. It depends on like the color that you use in. Because I'm using a darker color, I really won't have to use as many coats. And it depends on what kind of look you're going for. Sometimes if you want your nail polish to show up a little bit darker, you may need to add more coats. And if you don't want it to be a little bit lighter, you won't need to add as much. But just me personally, I never add more than 3 coats of gel nail polish to my nails, because you also have to add the top coat, and you don't want your nails to be too thick. So I think for this one, I did about 2 or 3 coats of nail polish and then added the top coat. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to see more videos from me. Hit the like button as well, and feel free to share. All right, guys, so now that I've applied all the coats, I did apply about 3 coats. I'm going to go on top with the Born Pretty top coat. Top coat is really, really, really important. It gives that nice shine, that nice gloss, and it's that top adhesive that is going to seal everything in there and make sure that your nails don't look rough and dry and sticky and all of that. And I like this particular top coat because some of the top coat, gel top coats, it gets really sticky even after you cure it. But this particular one, you don't. And sometimes you have to get nail polish remover and wipe off your nails after you use a gel top coat. But with this one, I find that I do not have to do that. I just put it on, cure it, and it's already nice and smooth and glossy, and I love it. Like, so this is one of the few that I've used where I don't have to get nail polish remover and wipe off the top of my nails because of the stickiness that the top coat leaves. So that's one thing I do like about the Born Pretty top coat. So make sure you add that to your cart too. Again, everything will be listed in the description box with links. So let's go ahead and check out the finished product. Alrighty, guys, so here is the finished product. I think this is so cute. And it said it was like a burgundy, but it's really like almost like an eggplant. It has like a burgundy tone to it. Almost depends on which way you're turning your hand. Like on one part, it looks burgundy, and then it almost looks like an eggplant, like a purple kind of tone to it. But I love the shimmer. Y'all excuse my nails. I'm trying to, grow my nails back, but I got my hand modeling going on over here. But I love, love, love this color. It's super cute. I feel like I could wear it any time of the year, break this out and use it. Born Pretty is such a great company, really good quality nail polish. So check them out. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.